Okay, for some reason it stopped rolling. So here we are. I mean, these are really clean. Was ist los? Is this for me? No. No. But why would they leave? Like, look. Why would they leave this here? This is not licorice. What is this? Oh, it smells nutty. Oh, I remember. This is a wild... it is invasive. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, well, believe it or not, I've brought a treat for them. I brought a great big whomping bag of banana chips. Dried banana. Which I think they're going to love. So, hey, dance! Dance! It's me, Lindy. They all come running out and greet me. I brought a treat for you. I actually noticed one of them was breastfeeding a baby. So I don't even know where I should leave this. Should I just pop it into the branch here close to the Wikiup? Okay, you guys, I'm just going to leave this right here for you. So it's protected from the rain. It's dried bananas. Doesn't look like anyone's here right now. So I'm like within a yard of the edge of the Wikiup. See how intricate and beautiful this dwelling is? It's absolutely gorgeous. And I see that it's been extended, so it's from here. Okay, so when I first came in here, this Wikiup was not here. This incredible tree structure is what was here. This also has grown substantially. Okay. And so this is the gist of the Wikiup. There's the entrance part, and it looks to me like another stick hut is right through there. And last time I was in here, there were 3 big people, 2 of them standing, 1 on the ground. So if you go back to my, I think it's the upside down tree at the Wikiup video. Just slow the video down and check it out. And so here we are. Beautiful, beautiful Wikiup. A shout out to Oregon Sasquatch Encounters. Brother, you've got this. So the 2 that were standing back to back, I actually believe they were sitting back to back. They were about my height sitting. I'm 5'3". So should I take this? Do you think this is for me? Do you think on a long weekend somebody would come in here and pull these and clean the roots? Very strange. I'm going to take these and I'm going to Do you think this is for me? I'll take it. Excuse me, I'm using my camera hand to pick stuff up. Thank you. I think it's for me. How strange. I'll take it. I need to take this stuff too. Okay. How strange. Right? Honestly, I don't know where this came from other than up there somewhere. Okay. See you when it stops raining. See you in the springtime. How cool is this? Okay, I'm gonna try them. Okay. Upside down tree. Looks different in this light. And this is being used, like I said, this is a new path, okay? Right here. It doesn't really look like a path, but it is. It definitely is. It's bashed in right along the roadside. So cool. And ouch. I don't know what I see. Ow! Don't know what we're going to see in here. But I stopped and had a nice long talk into the woods here. This is behind where Bigfoot Lady with a Rock was filmed. You can see that there's a massive big trunk down in there, but it's airborne. And the two trees that were tipped over into it are probably the ones that are sitting up in the tree now. Awesome. Ouch. And this is what kind of day it is, guys. It's just messy with rain. So happy to do. Me and my whatever stuff this is. Here's one of my gifting spots back in the woods. You can't see it from here. Me and my long goodbyes. Okay, peace, be well.